Hello traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the multi-time frame analysis here is that both weekly and monthly are trading higher, and we have a very defined upside cycle that is active for 4 to 7 weeks already. What I found on a hourly time frame is that we have a retest of the this resistance, which now became support, as we can see at 1.0530, and also we have defined upside trend line, and there is some pivot support as well as 1.0500 or 490 mark. In case if the market can trade lower, then this area here can become a very strong support for the euro dollar. Also, this area here is acting like support, so this area here around 530 and 500 mark, my advice to watch for upside opportunities around those two zones, because we are in a strong upside cycle and there is a potential for test of 1.0650, 670, or even area around 1.0800 mark. So definitely watch for buying opportunities on the dips, and those levels from my perspective will be key for today to support the price to go higher. If we speak about gold market, we're also trading upside in the last, let's say, 4 to 5 weeks. Market has reached the first upside objective at 1,800 mark, but now we can see that market is in the pullback, and because market is in the pullback, I can see this area around 1792, let's say 1793 to 1788, to be like a strong potential support. If market will, let's say, trade there and stop and start to reject or so, there is a chance for higher prices. So watch for this area for potential upside, a continuation on the gold market. And then for potential to retest 1810, or even to go higher towards the next area of next cluster around 1873. If we speak about crude oil market, I see potential for the rally. We have a trading range, defined trading range here. Market respected 79.60. That was a very, decent support. Weekly time frame, we had a outside week, but we closed positive, and we closed exactly at let's say 79.90. So I see, because of, we can see here tails in the last couple of hours, market is respecting and can, so as long as the market can hold above, let's say 79 mark, the upside near the lower extreme of this range will be preferable, and then potential upside objectives at 81, 80, or even 82, 80, 83 mark. So watch for the upside potential rotation. And Bitcoin, we can see that weekly starting to build higher. Monthly still got a down bar, but weekly is building higher. So expectation is that we can keep going higher, probably towards some upper references. And I can see here that market is supportive, in that sense that market respected the 70,300 mark, and it seems like it wants to go higher. We clear also the pin bar there, so it looks like pretty positive, and potential for 18,000 mark to be on the test. Even much higher prices, maybe even all the way towards the beginning of the supply at 21,000 mark. So watch for buying opportunities on the intraday dips on the Bitcoin. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.